Hello everybody and welcome to my Film It Friday / crochet podcast. If you want to see what I've been up to this week, then please do keep watching. So everybody, I hope you're well. I hope everything is okay. What a week I've had. So I spent all last weekend packing the Crochet Beginners Group boxes. So if you are new to Crochet Beginners Group and you don't know about the boxes, I released 100 boxes that contain a crochet project and some other Crochet Beginners Group goodies, and all the profits were going to 2 charities. Oh, excuse me. They've all sold out literally straight away. And I spent the weekend packing them and sending them off. I had 6 big mail sacks plus 2 IKEA bags of like 100 boxes. So that was pretty crazy weekend. I'm studying to be a mental health nurse, so I'm on placement at the moment in a hospital that's about an hour away from me. So I am really shattered because I'm working long days. And yesterday I had, you know, if you work in health, social care, nursing, anything to do with like people's lives, well, I suppose in life in general actually, whatever job you do, but especially in health, social care, nursing, you know that when you have a really bad day, you have a really, really bad day. Well, yesterday was not one of those great days. Yesterday was one of those days where I stood in the toilet and cried and literally sobbed my little heart out and thought, why on earth am I putting myself through this? Anyway, I came home yesterday and I was quite upset, and it's not placement are brilliant, placement are absolutely lovely. I just had a really, really hard day and I felt really down and really miserable, and I had a note card from Amazon to say that they tried to deliver an Amazon package. Now, I hadn't ordered anything off of Amazon, so I went to my lovely neighbour and picked it up and opened the box, and it had this in it, and it says, "A gift for you." Now, I'd totally forgotten that I'd put my Christmas wish list, my Amazon Christmas wish list, in the description box for a couple of my videos, because my family watch my videos and they're always like, oh, what do you want for Christmas? And I'm like, look on my wish list. So I just stuck it on there for no reason whatsoever but that. And some lovely, amazing, kind person called Erica bought me a present off of my Amazon Christmas wish list. So when I opened this yesterday, I burst into floods of tears because I was like, oh my god, that is so, so kind and it's so generous. And so the note says, enjoy your gift from Erica, known as Queen Nadira on YouTube, happy holidays. I literally blubbed. So Erica, you completely made my day yesterday, and it is so generous and so, so kind of you to give me this. So I have opened it, but I just thought I would show you how beautiful is that. It's like wrapped in such a lovely bag. So I opened it and I cried again when I saw what it was. So I'm a massive bookworm as well as a crocheter. And Erica kindly sent me the new book by V.E. Schwab. So this is Vengeful, and it is the sequel to Vicious. And this, from now on, whenever I look at this book, I am going to think of this total like little gift of happiness and love that came through my door just at the time when I really needed it. So thank you so much, Erica. Honestly, you do not know how much that meant to me yesterday. I was literally in absolute floods of tears and there was snot everywhere. No lie, because that's how I roll. Anyway, placement is going really well. It is, like some days I said, it is really tough, and when you're tired everything gets compounded, doesn't it? But so I haven't really done a lot of crochet because I've been packing the boxes, but this is more of a book video, and I was thinking, shall I put it on my booktube channel? But I thought, no, I'm gonna have it as my Film It Friday, because Crochet Beginners Group Book Club is growing and growing, so I thought, why not? Let's just pop it on here. So today, my Illumicrate box came. So Illumicrate is a British subscription box, and it's a quarterly subscription box. I'll put all the links below to their website and stuff. This isn't sponsored, I've paid for this box. I just thought, as a poor student nurse, sometimes in life you need to treat yourself, and what better than a book subscription box. So I have this, so I thought I would open it because, like, everyone loves an unboxing, don't they? So let me see what is in here. I think it's mostly based on YA, so young adult. There is a spoiler card, and I can't remember what the theme was. Oh, Clever Ruse, that was it, Clever Ruse. So we have, oh, that's cute. So I don't read a lot of YA, so I'm gonna have to look up and see. Sorry, I'm like stretching because my camera's miles away. I only have little arms. There's this necklace. Let me see. Da, da, da. So this is a stag amulet necklace. This necklace will bring out your inner fire breathing bitch queen. Yeah, good, because I kind of needed that one yesterday. Then we have this. Oh my word, this is beautiful. So this, sorry, I'm not really very good at these unboxing videos. This is, oh, it's Mulan. It's Mulan inspired scarf. That is beautiful. So if anybody knows me, they know that I am Disney crazy. So Mulan, they did good here, they did good. So if you can see, it has Mulan firing an arrow. That is absolutely beautiful. I'll try and put photos of these up so you'll be able to see them better. But that is very nice. Sorry, the lighting here is terrible because it is the UK and it's now dark. What else have we got? Oh, it's a banner. Oh, I love it. Are they, is it called a pennant or something? I think they're called pennants. I'm not sure. Oh, we'll just go with banner. So I got loads of pins, so I might pop my pins on there because that will look pretty cool. So that is that. God, there's stuff everywhere, people. Let me have this spoiler card. So the two books. So there is Tamora Pierce World Magic, book 1, The Immortals Quartet. This looks really good. So I don't know if it's Dane, I don't know, has been alone in the world for a long time, a little feral and running from a tragedy that drove her from her home. Diane's strange affinity with animals has kept her alive. Oh. The knack leads Diane into service and the Queen's riders when she meets Una Chamtong at market. Finally, it seems as though she's having a life of uncertainty. Oh, she is leaving. Alexandra can't read. I'm so tired. Leaving a life of uncertainty and danger behind, but their journey to deliver horses back to the capital is interrupted when nightmarish creatures drop from the sky chasing a hawk. That sounds good. They herald the start of a new life, Diane, one filled with adventure, romance, war, and more magic than she could ever imagine. Oh, that sounds good. And then, book number 2, we have Empress of All Seasons by Emiko Jean. Kind of like, oh, it's got sprayed edges. I love a sprayed edge. So this is about survive the palace's enchanted seasonal rooms. Oh, that sounds good. So Maria spent her lifetime training to become an empress, and she doesn't just plan to win, she's going to steal the emperor's fortune. Oh, this sounds really good actually. Oh, I love me a good book. And I read lots and lots in the winter. What is this? Is that a cuff? That just looks a bit random. And now I can't find the spoiler card. Oh, because it's under here. Story of Alexandra's life. Oh, it's a drink cozy. I mean, you could wear it as a cuff, but I will open it up and I will show you what it looks like. That's quite cute. I do like that. That was obviously for the necklace that is there. And we have, oh, I've got 2 bookmarks. So there's 2 bookmarks there from I Don't Believe in Gods, I Believe in Power, The Poppy War. I have heard about this book and it does sound rather good. And then we have a woodmark. I love woodmark. So it says every locked door has a key. That is lovely. And then we just have some little bits. Oh, and look, your signed book plate for, oh my god, I love a signed book plate. So that's the author, Emiko Jean, that has signed, and this is a Illumicrate exclusive edition as well. So I'm gonna pop that in there somewhere. Yeah. So if anybody's into YA, I mean, I'm not a massive YA person, but I do think, like, Illumicrate, sometimes book boxes are quite good, subscription boxes, and this is only quarterly. And I think they're a really good idea because they pick books sometimes that you would never choose for yourself. Like, I would never have chosen these, but I'm definitely excited about them. And with Illumicrate, you also get, sometimes you can get like extras, so it's a scan to listen to the first 3 chapters of the Mortal Coil for free. So we have this. Oh, and you've got some origami. DNA origami, make your own decorative DNA model. There you go. To be fair, I'm sick of DNA. I did it all like last year and it just drives me nuts. Anyway, that is my Illumicrate box, and that is my Film It Friday. So I am in placement until January, and then after January I will be able to do back to be doing a lot more tutorials, etc. So I do apologise, and I'm sorry this is more, definitely more of a bookish video and not a crochet video. But if you want to check out Crochet Beginners Group Book Club, please feel free. I will put the link in the description box below. And check out Illumicrate as well. They are really good. They'll make a really good Christmas present as well. So yes, that is it, everybody. I will try and get a new Stitch Sunday up for you this week. Yeah, that is everything. So have a lovely rest of the week. Have a lovely evening. Take care. Happy crocheting. And I will see you all soon. Bye.